Hello, in today's video I'll be showing you how you can be able to create 100 t-shirt designs that sells with one single prompt. Are you tired of subscribing to all these t-shirt design softwares that you have to pay monthly? That every month is money coming out of your business or coming out of your pocket instead of focusing on building your print on demand business. With Artistically AI, which is just one-time payment, unlimited t-shirt designs and other programs or other apps that you can be able to use to create 100 t-shirt designs with just one single prompt that will sell on either your e-com website or Amazon. Without taking much of your time, I'm going to walk you through and show you how you can be able to create 100 t-shirt designs that sell from one single prompt. So as you can see, I've logged into Artistically AI and this is the dashboard. With the dashboard, you go here which says create design. So I click on it, which brings me here. It says choose your designer. We do fast AI image designer. So once I click on fast AI image designer, then I come here and all that I have to do is look for AI design agents. So I'll click on AI design agents. And as you can see, there's so many different apps, YouTube thumbnail, clip art. If you want to know how you can use Artistically AI to do other stuff, I have a video and I'll make sure I'll put the link below. But now let's focus on how we can be able to design our 100 t-shirts with just one single prompt that will sell. So I click on t-shirt designs, which brings me here. All that I have to do is select category, which they have fit-based, funny, kids, fitness, feminist. So with this one, I'll click on fit-based and you select your quantity, which is from 1 to 10. So let's do 10 because we're trying to create 100 t-shirts. And here it says target audience. Mostly what I do is I search the time, or with fit base, our audience are fit people. So what I'll do is I'll type in what I want to say on the t-shirt, and what Artistically does is you go out there and search online for designs that sell, and it will create a t-shirt design. So the ratio aspect, you can change it, or leave it like that. So I click on here, as you can see, it says generate design. Click on it. And what Artistically is doing is magic. It says please don't close or refresh. So as you can see, Artistically doing its magic right now. As I type in just by the power, it says God is my strength. Okay. Power endures, grace always. As you can see, it has created all these here, which we're trying to create 100. So you can just go ahead and do it again. AI agent, you click on it again. Then you come to t-shirt designs, click on it. This time we'll change the category to maybe funny and select 10. So let's do wives or wife. wife. The ratio aspect, I keep it as it is, and it says create design. So far after this, it will be 20. And I'm not trying to make the video long, so we just stick with what we get right now. But you can create as many as you want, as you can see with Artistically AI. Okay, wife says she run the house. And as women, as you know, when mommy is happy, everybody is happy. So, and I have all these here. Ask my husband. If you don't know that she run the house, ask the husband. Okay, it's fine. I'm fine. Yes, wifey, the boss. I salute. So he's giving us all these, and after that, what you do is you come back up here, and as you can see, design assistant. But we're trying to create 100 as fast as possible. So you select AI bot action, and you come here. It says create new action. So you can either upload an image or select from the library, which you select or choose from the library. So we'll choose our designs. Okay, as you can see, all these designs, wife, boss. So far, I've picked, let's say, 14. Then I'll click here, says select. As you can see, it's giving me all that. Then I'll come here, this plus sign here, it says add a step. I'll click on add a step, click on remove background, click again, and say scale, scale up image, click again, convert to 300 DPI, and then build action. Click on build action. I forgot one thing here. Once you select scale up image, you have to do improve human face or only upscale. So I'll do only upscale and select build. I can give it any title. So I'll just do the channel title, which is clever marketings. And you click on build. So it's running. Okay. Starts. Let's scroll down. See, nicely transparent. So all that you have to do is you go either print font or you print on demand. Like me, I have a launch card e-com store, so that's where I send it to so that I can create my nice designs. As you can see here, Mighty is his name. Wifey the boss again. I keep him busy. Oh yeah, that one I won't doubt. So as you can see, nice ones, which is transparent without no white background. I can click on it, and as you see right here, the dimension, design, and one thing too that Artistically does is you can either remove, keep it private, you know, everything is nice. So you can create as many t-shirt designs as you want. Okay. After that, all that you have to do is just focus on your print on demand business. building it without worrying about every month you have to pay. Artistly is just one-time payment, and I will leave the link below. If you have it, thanks for watching the video. If you don't have it, the link will be below. Thanks for watching.